feels good. Hey, you trying so hard not to cry. Well, I know you're fed up, but keep your head up, 'cause people only see what they wanna. People gon' believe what they gonna. They don't understand the life that you choose. They never walked a mile in your shoes. No, no, no. So what you gonna do with the haters? Just gotta excuse their behavior, but just don't give up hope.